Think drinking water is just about staying hydrated? Think again. These surprising benefits will change the way you see water forever. Unexpected benefits of drinking water boosts brain power and focus. Dehydration slows your brain. Here's why. Just 2% dehydration reduces cognitive function, improves memory, mood, and concentration, helps prevent headaches and brain fog, enhances reaction time and problem solving, speeds up weight loss. Water is the ultimate metabolism booster. Drinking cold water burns calories through thermogenesis, helps control cravings and reduces unnecessary snacking, increases fat breakdown by improving metabolism, prevents bloating and improves digestion, flushes out toxins, your body's natural detoxifier, supports kidney function and prevents kidney stones, removes waste through sweat and urine, helps eliminate harmful toxins from the body, reduces puffiness and water retention, gives you glowing skin. Want clear, radiant skin? Drink up. Keeps skin cells hydrated, reducing wrinkles, helps flush out acne-causing toxins, enhances elasticity, making skin plumper, prevents dryness and irritation, strengthens your immune system. Water equals natural defense mechanism, helps your body fight infections more effectively, keeps your lymphatic system functioning well, flushes out viruses and bacteria faster, reduces risk of urinary tract infections (UTIs), enhances heart health. Water is your heart's best friend, lowers blood pressure naturally, reduces risk of heart disease and stroke, helps blood flow smoothly through arteries, prevents excess sodium buildup, prevents and relieves headaches. Skip the painkillers, just hydrate. Dehydration is a major cause of headaches, helps relieve migraine symptoms naturally, improves oxygen flow to the brain, reduces eye strain-related headaches, regulates body temperature. Your body's built-in cooling system keeps you cool in hot weather, prevents heat exhaustion and heat stroke, helps the body sweat efficiently, maintains optimal metabolic functions, improves mood and reduces stress. Water equals instant mood booster. Dehydration leads to stress and anxiety, increases serotonin production naturally, helps your body relax and feel refreshed, reduces cortisol stress hormone levels, balances blood sugar levels, a natural way to prevent diabetes, helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, prevents sudden energy crashes, reduces cravings for sugary drinks, supports kidney function in diabetics, prevents kidney stones and UTIs. Water equals best kidney protector, flushes out stone-forming minerals, dilutes uric acid to prevent stones, reduces risk of bladder infections, helps prevent painful urinary tract infections, helps you sleep better, regulates body temperature overnight, prevents muscle cramps at night, reduces midnight thirst, wake-ups, improves relaxation and melatonin production. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more.